Hello, welcome back. Delia here with the cleaning group. Hand washing is one of the best ways to keep you healthy and protect yourself and your family from getting sick, as well as preventing the spread of respiratory and diarrheal infections. Learn when and how you should wash your hands to stay healthy. But first, let's talk about how germs are spread. Germs can spread from person to person or from surfaces to people. This happens when you touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, prepare or eat food and drinks with unwashed hands, touch surfaces or objects that have germs on them, blow your nose, cough, or sneeze into hands, and then touch other people's hands or common objects. Next, it's important to know when to wash your hands. You can help yourself and your loved ones stay healthy by washing your hands often, especially during these key times when they are likely to get and spread germs. Before touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Before, during, and after preparing food. Before and after eating food. Before and after caring for someone at home who is sick. Before and after treating a cut or a wound. After using the toilet. After changing diapers or cleaning up a child who has used the toilet. After blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. After touching an animal, animal feed, or animal waste. After touching garbage. After touching your mask. After leaving a public place. After touching objects or surfaces that may be frequently touched by other people, such as door handles, tables, gas pumps, shopping carts, or ATMs. Finally, follow these steps to wash your hands the right way. Clean hands help stop germs from spreading from one person to another and in our communities, including homes, workplaces, schools, and child care facilities. The most effective way is to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. First, wet your hands with clean running water, warm or cold. Turn off the tap and apply soap. Second, lather your whole hands, the back, between your fingers, and under your nails by rubbing them together with the soap. Third, scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you need a timer, hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. Fourth, rinse your hands well under clean running water. And fifth, dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry. No soap and water? No problem, use hand sanitizer. Washing hands with soap and water is the best way to get rid of germs in most situations. However, if soap and water are not available, you can use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. It must contain at least 60% alcohol. You can tell the percentage of the alcohol by looking at the product label. But keep in mind that sanitizers can quickly reduce the number of germs on hands in many situations. However, there are situations when sanitizers do not get rid of all types of germs. Sanitizers may not be as effective when hands are visibly dirty or greasy. Sanitizers may not remove harmful chemicals from hands like pesticides and heavy metals. Number 1, apply the gel product to the palm of one hand. Read the label for the correct amount. Number 2, cover all the surfaces of your hands and fingers. And number 3, rub your hands together and spread the gel for 20 seconds until your hands are dry. Swallowing alcohol-based hand sanitizers can cause alcohol poisoning if more than a couple of mouthfuls are swallowed. Therefore, keep it out of reach of young children and supervise their use. Follow us on social media and visit our website. If you enjoy watching this video, consider subscribing for more and turn on your notifications bell. Until next time, thank you for watching.